Alright, so we got our tag axle removed, we got our spring hangers removed. This actually came apart pretty easy. Right now the objective is I got to get this driver's side frame rail out and over to, it's got to be prepped to ship to Vermont to a company called PG Adams that specializes in frame rails and truck frame rails. They've been doing this for a very long time. So the reason why I'm dealing with them is they can guarantee me to laser drill all these holes and then send me the new frame rails guaranteed to fit with the holes to be in the right spot. So that is the reason why I am going that route, because I need to get this truck up and into service. As you can see, there's about 65 holes on each side. I was originally going to buy a magnetic drill press, and I said, you know what, I have no room for error here. I've got no time for error, so it's just easier for me to spend the $4,000 or whatever it costs to send this rail out and have them send me 2 rails. They'll mirror the opposite sides. I just need to double check to make sure that the holes on this side are the same as that size. So anyways, but we've made a lot of progress. We got our spring hangers removed, and we already started separating the frame. So as I was telling you before in the other videos, this truck is double framed. So what that means is it's 2 seat channels, one outer channel and one inner channel. So by the looks of it so far, the outer channel is the only one we need to replace. Ta-da! So this was a bitch to do. I probably spent the last 4 hours with a 10-pound sledgehammer and 6-foot pry bars and floor jacks trying to get the outer frame to separate from the inner frame. You can see that's the outer frame right there. A lot of grunt work. So it's done. I was a little surprised to see that the original frame still has the paint on it, and so I was pretty excited. So now the next measure from here is I'm going to clean all this up. First, actually, I'm going to send the outer rail out to Vermont to PG Adams so they can manufacture me 2 rails and drill all the holes and pretty much to specification of the truck. So while that's being shipped out there, I'll be cleaning this frame up and checking it for cracks or anything like that. If I find any cracks, you know, obviously we got to bevel it out, weld it. But I don't think this is going to have any cracks in it. It looks pretty solid. The inner frame wasn't rotting away like the outer frame. So I apologize, I didn't get any of this on footage. I was strapped for time, and my phone is very low on memory, so I got to delete a bunch of stuff. But when I do the passenger side, which is the worst side, I'm actually going to set up my camcorder with a tripod, and you will see that one firsthand, how labor intensive that one is. I'm almost certain that side, and it is the worst side, I'm almost certain that side is going to take me probably maybe 6 hours, maybe an entire day, who knows. But this is huge progress, and I'm pretty excited, and I'll show you kind of like how I got this set up. So let me turn my camera around. All right. Okay, so I had pulled the hangers off, like I said before, And I ended up jacking the frame up from the back here first, and then to keep the suspension, the frame past these leaf springs here, I actually had blocks in here. Now this is actually welded to the inner frame, so it's a sturdy support. And once that was blocked up there, you know, I would have to jack up in certain points to get the outer frame to clear, but you know, it was pretty straightforward. And look at that, that's where the tag axle was. I was a little concerned that since it ate through the tag axle, it ate through the outer frame, that there was going to be significant damage on the inner, but you can see right there, it's pretty good. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. You know, hit like and subscribe. I appreciate your support. If anybody's got any questions, just leave a comment, you know, or a suggestion. I'm not a fabricator, so you know, this is not my kind of line of work. I do cars and trucks, so this is actually the biggest project that I've taken on. So, all right, be careful out there.